Napa. Because right now, when you order from Napa online, you can pick up curbside at your local store in just 30 minutes. Or get your order delivered direct to your door with free one-day shipping on over 160,000 quality parts when you spend $50 or more. Quality parts delivered quickly and safely. That's Napa know-how.
Napa know-how.
At participating stores, standard ground shipping and exclusions apply.
Father's Day is coming up, and with giftcards.com, it's easy to score a perfect gift. Whether he loves tech, sports, gaming, or shopping, there is a great option for every dad. Or let Dad choose with the limited edition Happy Father's Day card. It features all Dad's favorites like Lowe's, GameStop, and Buffalo Wild Wings on one convenient card. Happy cards never expire, making them a perfect gift that everyone will love. Enjoy free shipping on all Happy cards by visiting www.giftcards.com/happy. Happy Father's Day from giftcards.com.
Welcome to the Beverly Hills Plastic Surgery Podcast. This is Dr. Jay Calvert, and I am here at the end of the closed calamity Beverly Hills Plastic Surgery lockdown with Dr. Millicent Ravello. Dr. Ravello, how does it feel to be out of the lockdown phase of this COVID-19
calamity?
pandemic?
I think you called it calamity.
It's a calamity.
It feels pretty darn good. You know why? This means I can go to a store and buy new clothes and shoes. In person.
You and I have a very different view of what the ending of this means. I didn't even think about that.
I mean, before that, you had to drop it off curbside, pick it up. Might as well order online. Like, what's the point?
Well, that's interesting. I was thinking it was good to get back to surgery, but whatever. I'm down.
Oh, yeah. I mean, that too. Yeah, that too.
Okay. Well, I'm going to go buy some clothes in honor of you, just because you said so. I'm going to show up and be like, I am here. I'm going to go to Dick's Sporting Goods, because that's the only place I shop. And I'm going to get some new running shorts and some sort of hoodie.
I appreciate that.
There you go. That's my shopping spree. So we're going to talk a little bit today about laser liposuction.
Yes.
Even though we've talked about liposuction before, there's been an intense interest in laser liposuction because of some of the posts that have been occurring on our Instagram accounts.
Yeah, so you had a big one, I think, recently, where you did basically full body lipo of a patient, and then you did some fat transfer as well, and she had some outstanding results.
Yeah, and that has garnered a lot of interest, along with the arms that I'm doing with the laser lipo, because that has been a huge win, and also then the fat grafting that you can use with the laser lipo.
Yes.
For completeness sake, I do need to mention that I am a luminary for Alma Lasers, who makes the laser that I use, and I've been using this laser now for a lot of years, and it's basically the same kind of technique that I really haven't changed since I got the thing, which is basically it's a diode laser, which means that when you're lasering and you're liposuctioning simultaneously, very different than smart lipo, which I think is also a good device. But with smart lipo, you liposuction and then you use the laser to treat the areas afterwards. This one, you're lasering while you're suctioning. And I find that this is a lot easier to use. It's very safe. Touch wood, I haven't had any kind of, any kind of burns or anything like that, but it has definitely caused the skin to retract and shrink a lot more than any other device I've used.
And that's the whole point of it. Any type of liposuction machine you use will do the job of liposuction, which is to remove fat by means of some kind of suction device.
Through a cannula, a long straight tube of some sort of
small
diameter
instrument, that removes the fat. And it can get confusing because there are a lot of devices out there and they all are very proprietary and they have all these cute names. So it's hard for patients to sort of understand what's what. But one of the main problems that we have with liposuction is that you can sometimes be left with looser skin after liposuction, especially if you had loose skin to start out with. And where we see this particularly as a problem is, like you said, in the arms. And most people do not want to put a scar on their arms to remove skin. So having a device that tightens skin at the same time as removing the fat is very helpful.
Yeah, the arms are tough. The lower abdomen is tough. A lot of times you have to wind up taking skin